Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to learn about how to use color scales with conditional formatting in Excel. So let's start. If you remember in our previous video we learned about how to use data bars in columns in cells to represent our data graphically without any chart. And in this video we are not going to use data bars, but instead we are going to use color coding to represent the performance. And we have our data here of employees along with their names, hire date, the number of years they have worked with us, their targeted sales, and the actual sales they have made during the period. And to check which person have performed very well and which person have performed the least in that period uh, in terms of actual sales, right? I will color code this column, and what I want is to color code higher sales highest sales in green and lowest sales in red. Actually it is dark green and dark red. So for that I will use color scaling, and let's see how to do this. I will just select this column, then go to home tab, choose conditional formatting, then come to color scaling. So it will provide me options to color scale my data, like green to yellow and then red color, and another one is red to yellow and then green color. And there are many options here you can explore, but yeah, what I want is this one, first one. Then I will just select this one, and yeah, I have successfully color code my data of actual sales, the highest sale will be shown as dark green and lowest sale will be shown as dark red. To check that whether I have done correctly this or not, I'll just select this column, or just come point my cursor here and then go to data and sort this to largest to smallest. So yeah, you can see that the highest sale of 928,000, it is about it is the darkest green in this list, and if we go to the last one, it is 140,000, it is the darkest red in this list. So I will just, that is for checking just only, and I will just now keep it as it was. Yeah. So yes guys, that was it for today, and if you like our content, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And if you have any query, please ask us in the comment section. And yes, you can also access these files for your practice in the description box. Thank you, bye.